Find Laplace of t square into cos 2t. Solution. The given one is Laplace of t square into cos 2t. We just solve this one by using multiplication of powers of t method. That is, the formula is L inverse of t power n cos at is equal to, formula is minus 1 whole to the power of n d power n upon ds to the power of n into f bar s. This is the formula. So first of all, we need to find f bar s. See, if we compare these two, here t power n, here t power 2, so n is equal to 2. Here cos at, here is cos 2t, so cos at is equal to cos 2t, so here a is equal to 2. Now apply Laplace only cos 2t. Cos 2t. Laplace of cos 2t formula is Laplace of cos at. Laplace of cos at formula is s upon s square plus a square. We know that a is equal to 2. Substitute here 2. That is equal to, therefore, Laplace of cos 2t is equal to s upon s square is same plus a square, but a is equal to 2. This is 2 square, which is equal to s upon s square. 2 square is 4. This is called f bar s. Now substitute in the formula. That is equal to Laplace of t square cos 2t is, substitute in the formula, that is minus 1 power n. Minus 1 power n. N value is 2. So this is 2 d power n, but n is equal to 2. So d square by ds square into f bar s. F bar s value is s upon s square plus 4. S upon s square plus 4. We know that minus 1 square is 1. So which is equal to, this is d square by ds square, means 2 time differentiation. So first one, d by ds of d by ds of s upon s square plus 4. See, this is d square, means 2 time differentiation. Here just consider this one only. Here just apply the quotient rule. Quotient rule is d by dx of u by v is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. This is the quotient rule. If we compare these two, here numerator is u, here is s, so u is equal to s, and denominator is v, here is s square plus 1, so v is equal to s square plus 4. Substitute in the formula, which is equal to, already here we have d by ds of, if we apply this formula, v is v is s square plus 4, s square plus 4 into, whole divided by v square. This is the quotient rule formula. D by dx of u by v is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx whole upon v square. So first one, v value is s square plus 4 into d by dx of u. So here is we have s, so d by ds of u value is s minus u, s into d by ds of v value is s square plus 4. S square plus 4 whole upon v square is s square plus 4 whole square. We know that d by ds of s is equal to 1. The next, d by ds of s square plus 4, split the differentiation, first one and second one. See, second one is constant, so differentiation of constant is 0 plus d by ds of s square is 2s. Substitute these values here, which is equal to, already here we have d by ds into, this is s square plus 4 into d by ds of s is 1 minus, here we have s, so s into d by ds of s square plus 4 is 2s plus 0. This is 2s plus 0 whole upon s square plus 4, s square plus 4 whole square, which is equal to d by ds of s square plus 4 into 1 is s square plus 4 minus 2s plus 0 is 2s into s, that is 2 into s square by s square plus 4 whole square. See, 2s plus 0 is 2s, s into s square, 2 is as it is. Now d by ds of, now s square plus 4 minus 2s square by s square plus 4 whole square, which is equal to, here is s square, here is minus 2s square, so 4 minus s square by s square plus 4 whole square. This has differentiation, so d by ds. Now here again apply quotient rule, which means that d by dx of u by v is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx whole upon v square. So if we compare these two, here is numerator is u, here numerator is 4 minus s square, so u is equal to 4 minus s square. The next denominator is v, here denominator is v is equal to s square plus 4 whole square, s square plus 4 whole square. This is the v value. Substitute u and v in the formula, which is equal to d by ds of 4 minus s square by s square plus 4 whole square, which is equal to, substitute in the formula v. What is the v value? S square plus 4 whole square into d by dx, d by, here is s, so d by ds of u is equal to 4 minus s square, 4 minus s square. Next minus u, again it is 4 minus s square, put the bracket, into d by ds of v value is s square plus 4 whole square. See, is s square plus 4 whole square whole upon v square, v value is s square plus 4 whole square, again square whole square, which is equal to, see, this is equal to d by, sorry, s square plus 4 whole square d by ds of 4 minus s square minus 4 minus s square into d by ds of s square plus 4 whole square whole upon s square plus 4 whole power 4. Since a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So s square plus 4 whole square and whole power 2 is equal to 2 to the 4, s square plus 4 whole power 4, which is equal to, now s square plus 4 into d by ds of constant 0 minus d by ds of 2s is, sorry, s square is 2s minus 4 minus s square. Apply the differentiation only exponential value, that is 2 into s square plus 4 into differentiation of only base value is s square plus 4 upon s square plus 4 whole power 4, which is equal to, here s square plus 4 into 0 minus 2s is minus 2s minus 4 minus s square into, see this is 2, so just write 2 here, 2 into 4 minus s square into s square plus 4 into d by ds of s square is 2s plus d by ds of constant is 0 whole upon s square plus 4 whole power 4, which is equal to s square, see I did a mistake here, it has power value and s square plus 2 whole square is negative 2s minus 2 into 4 minus s square into s square plus 4 into, this is 2s plus 0 is 2s whole upon s square plus 4 whole power 4. Now observe here s square plus 4 whole square, here is also s square plus 4, so taking common s square plus 4 from numerator, that is equal to s square plus 4 is common, the remaining one is, here we have power value, so s square plus 4 into negative 2s and negative, see this is a 2 into s4 minus s square, this is common, remaining is 2s whole upon s square plus 4 whole power 4, see both are same, so this is 3, that is equal to s minus 2s into s square minus 2s cube minus 2 4s are 8s minus 2 2s are 4, sorry 2 2s are 4s into 4 16s minus the next 2 2s are 4s into s square 4s cube by, see this is minus into minus, this is plus upon s square plus 4 whole cube, that is equal to, see this is 4s cube, this is minus 2s cube, 4s cube minus 2s cube, 16s minus 8s, this is minus 8s minus 16s by s square plus 4 whole cube, which is equal to 4s cube minus 2s cube, this is 2s cube minus, this is a 24s upon s square plus 4 whole cube, since L of t square into cos 2t value is 2s cube minus 24s upon s square plus 4 whole cube is the answer.